So these are the new Anime Dungeon Fighters codes that you can use on Roblox. Before we start, I'd like to say that these codes are very powerful, so make sure that you use them before they expire. So let's get started with the first one being Weekend Gift 2. So this gives you a lot of rewards. I think it's random per person, but I'm not really sure. So make sure you use them in order to find out. The next one is Weekend Gift. Gives you 3,000 gems, which is already a lot. Solo 3 gives you 3k dark crystals. Aura Bug gives you 5k stamps. Thanksgiving 1, 5,000 stamps again. And Discord gives you rewards. Thanksgiving gives you 25,000 Halloween candy. Halloween 1 and Halloween gives you Halloween candy and 1,000 gems. Bug gives you 1 peach and 1,000 gems. Wukong gives you 500 peaches and 500 gems. Leopard gives you 500 gems, but make sure that you're in a new server in order to claim this. Kai Juno 8 gives you 5 hero magic dust and 500 gems. Come Soon gets you 5 weapon magic dust and 2 hero magic dust. Once again, only in new servers. The Aura update gives you 300 gems, and new update gives 500 gems. So those are all the codes that you can use in Anime Dungeon Fighters. Make sure you use them all before they expire because that's one of the main problems people are getting whenever trying to use these codes. They usually don't end up using them and they end up expiring, so they won't be able to use them anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you'd like to pause the video, you can do so right now and then just copy the codes and then type them in the game. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.